Just purchase this portable air compressor from Lazada. Tara, i-unpack natin. Tara, let's!
You can manually select by pressing the mode button and choosing either bicycle, motorcycle, ball, or four-wheel drive. All are in PSI except for the motorcycle, which was in the bar. Here is the bar to PSI chart converter for your easy reference.
Pasingawan muna po natin itong gulong sa likod. And as you can see, nakadapa na siya. Since likod yung ating hanginan, nandito yung bigat para matest natin kung kaya nga nitong air compressor na portable yung ganitong senaryo. Kaya niya nga, and at 2.4 kbar or 35 PSI yung hangin. Convincing.